Welcome back, dear viewer, to the ongoing saga fixing this French farm, where we've been mighty busy destroying things. With the Provence wind at our backs and our twin girls at creche, we may have just had our most productive day of renovation so far. I was going to do some gymnastics off this, but we're going to take down this lump of wood. Shall I just roll it?
It's up to you, love. Look,
it just feels like it just wants to roll.
Before you do it, let me just move this piece of wood here.
Yeah, I was thinking that might then deflect. No, leaving it there might then deflect it away from the.
Okay.
And stop it rolling back, actually.
Okay, shall I put the concrete block there then as well, so it doesn't roll into the...
Yeah, so it doesn't stop there.
I'll put one here, yeah?
Yeah.
I'll have it on there.
Maybe in front of the leg itself first, the preferred support. Oh no, it'll be fine, it's in front of that. No, it will be good because that'll stop it.
You sure I can put a stone there?
No, it's good. He says he can't predict the future. Ready?
No.
3, 2, 1. Prepare for nothing to happen. Oh yeah.
Okay, that is so lucky that did not hit us.
That was not lucky, that was judgment. I was not expecting that to snap in the middle.
God, that's so rude, that's so rotten.
That is so rotten. Hello, billions of animals that live in that.
Wow. That's just like, was it heavy?
No. Well, I'm very strong. Yeah, that's not really structurally sound anymore, is it? Okay, that is no longer a fly. That is no longer a house because it's not got a roof. We've got the one behind to get as well.
Yeah. How do I undo that one?
You can do it on your own, I think. Just stand underneath it and dream. Hello. I'm going to now hit this with the sledgehammer. That didn't move. Let me get a bit more strength in it.
It's loud. Blue, wait! Wait.
Clear?
Hang on. Go in the garden. This way, go on, good boy. You go. Ready, wait. Ready, fine.
Yeah?
Yeah. Woo!
No.
No!
Right.
Yeah, sorry, Blue just ran towards.
There we go. That is very heavy, that one. It's much less rotted than all the others, even though it looks like it is. 2. The reason the dog's barking is because I stopped mid-walk to go and film that sunrise for you. Oh, look at that. It's glorious. Can you see it behind me? Yeah. Every worksite looks better when there's a beautiful... Shh. Every worksite looks better when there's a beautiful sunrise and a barking dog.
Good morning.
Morning.
We have a big day today, which may be an epic fail. Let's just preempt that. It might be actually really unepic. We are going to put a chain on the back of the tractor.
Put a hitch on the back of the tractor, then a chain.
And hopefully use it to pull down the concrete lintel that sits across the stables.
And maybe the walls that go along it as well.
Yeah, this is George's idea.
No, you agreed.
I said I trust you.
You 100% agreed.
I trust George in like most things.
Also,
not all tractor related things, given the other day.
Our new French friend who's got a really awesome project that we'll show you at some point was like, oh, just put it down with the tractor.
Did he say
Yeah,
that?
he did.
Okay,
He agreed with me completely, and he's a good 20 years older than me. And he spent all of that time renovating.
Yeah.
Oh gosh. And he's bald. Flash forward.
And it's got twins.
And he's got twins. Oh no!
Anyway, yeah, so that's the plan, is we're gonna take this beastie and try and pull down some walls. So let's see what happens. We'll see you down there. Blue, that's my work glove. It's already got a hole in it, I don't need any more, okay?
The one set that fit you.
No. Oh my god, it's so badly behaved.
I think we need to think about which end we pull it from first before we do anything.
Okay. Cast your votes in the comments below.
Yeah.
Why not from the middle?
If it doesn't come off evenly, I wonder if we pull that end and sort of pull it down, but then that just might like bounce. Or we try and pull it from this end, but I think this end is, that's just going to, when we pull at the top, that whole column will flex.
Right.
Over there, so we could pull that all down in one. It's just a case of what that does afterwards, but it'll literally just go donk straight from the floor. Huh.
Right, we'll deliberate and come back to you with an answer.
We're going to hook around this end and pull. Because physics. Yeah, totally. That'll be fine, won't it? Got my hard hat. Just in case. I mean, other bits of me will break. Maybe it won't pull down. Maybe it will. Try one. Attempt one.
I'm up on the terrace, so I am far away from the action. I hate these kind of things. I'm so nervous.
Is anything moving?
Yeah!
Okay. That's unexpected.
Yeah. That big pillar is moving with it. So this guy here.
Oh, it's cracking. This
Yeah.
whole thing.
Whole thing.
Well, we weren't expecting to pull that down.
No.
We can.
It's just whether that you
No, it'll
can
be okay. I'll be away.
get far enough away.
Yeah. I will be far
That is,
away.
do you reckon?
Yeah.
George is going to take more of a straight angle because, yeah, we're not sure if that pillar is going to come down as well.
We slightly want it to,
Yeah,
though we didn't want to do it at the beginning.
it wasn't the plan.
No, great. Okay, let's try the other end, which will be lighter. Come on, you.
All right.
Come on, horsey.
The tractor was just kind of spinning out. It was like not much grip, so we're going to try the easier end.
We're digging
In theory, the
foundation.
easier end.
That's like great, but also worst case scenario. Now I've just got like a wobbly pillar. Blow on it.
Oh.
It's held in by like a tiny bit of render. Oh, this pillar has got rebar in it. That's why. It says rebar running right down there. That's not going like this. That's going to need pulling down.
I got my lead.
What's on your lead? Is that a hint? That's fully through? Yeah. That was really good.
Came down well.
That is huge.
The view's opened up, but now we've got to try and figure out how to get them out.
Now we've got to clear it. There's some big bits of... Yeah.
No.
We won! Yeah, it's here. These are the bits of rebar that we were bending. But that is a big deal. How do you feel, Jazz?
My heart is like going. I should have worn my sports watch because my heart is going so fast. We could have seen. Yeah, I get so nervous about this kind of thing.
Now we've just got to work out how to move massive chunks of concrete and where to put them. I literally have no idea.
No. I guess this is where a skip would come in handy.
If we could get them in a skip.
Yeah.
A grab lorry. But just look at the view you get from here. It's so good. Right now, it's for you, it's mainly sunlight, but for us, it's amazing. Opened up. It's amazing how much less material there is in like in a modern wall. Like hollow concrete blocks, which in France are called papang. You may see it if you watch any other French YouTubers. They talk about papang, Mercré papang, because that's the name of the block. We just call them breeze blocks. Breeze blocks, papang. So don't look at my crotch, I've ripped my trousers. Should we move a big one?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3 with the knees. Thank you. Lovely. Bend on. Lift up.
1,
2,
2, 3.
Heads up. Lovely. Okay.
Yeah.
Tilt. To you. Well, that will lift.
1, 2, 3.
Okay, I'll go. Yeah.
Yeah. Alright,
Yep.
rock and roll.
Yep. Rock and ball.
Any moment now, should we appear? Actually, maybe not. George! Oh, there he is!
Oh, hi there.
What's next on the agenda?
Cutting this roof joist into 3 bits because it's big and heavy, and that's the way to get it out. So we'll make a cut out there, cut about here, push out the middle, and then try and take the top and bottom out that way. And then this is a single wall,
Yeah, I think
of papang, which we'll then just, I don't know, drive Jazz at, like full speed of Jazz. Right, in order to do this, I've got to take this off, remove the safety, pick up the chainsaw.
I wasn't expecting that!
Like an absolute professional.
I wasn't expecting that!
There's a man happy in his choices. There we go.
Yeah. That wall, the top of the other side is might see that bit next to you. That's kind of wobbling forward. Should be.
Yeah. Yes, come on.
See this bit is wobbling. Oh George, really? Love.
Yeah, bits of that wall are going to come off.
Yeah.
Quite a lot of that wall are going to come off.
Okay, so let's just take a second to maybe think.
No, let's go faster.
Think about this.
What? I'm fine here.
No, babe, please. So we could knock down, I think if we knock down the bit of
Take
that
off the top
wall,
off it,
yeah.
better, yeah. If you're wondering what the background noise is, that's Jazz's dad doing his most favourite thing ever. which is
Trimming.
Petrol trimming.
Oh. Nice one, babe.
There's a lady also happy in her choices. If I just swing off it.
No, do not do that, George, please. No, George,
I'm
please.
kidding you. I'm not going to.
No, you're there and I'm just removing stones now.
No, I'm okay. Holding it up, like king of the world. It's a thick wall, this one, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's massive. It's like twice as thick as all the others.
It's really, all really loose. George is behind that wall. Oh. Yeah. Yeah, that's positive. Yeah, you're nearly there. Yeah. Woo!
Now we've got this massive bit of dodgy. It's going to go over the other side.
That's
Anybody
fine.
in the pottage, eh?
No.
And look what's in here. A tile.
What? An hexagonal tile.
Oh wait, hold on a second. Vici. But no.
That doesn't
Not
look
right.
original, does it? Okay, we're going to try and get this pillar down.
We've got 2 chains now.
Is that an old chain?
It is an old chain. What broke?
I don't think it broke
It
necessarily.
didn't break.
Huh?
No, it didn't break. It just
It just pinged off.
pinged off.
Yeah. Yeah, it just pinged off, love, yeah.
There's no broken link. No, it just
No,
pinged
it's just
off.
it's just pinged. Unless one's come off that I...
I think we'd have heard more of a ping.
Yeah, I thought it would have like hit something. Okay. Just filming. Yeah, it just pinged off. It didn't break. We'll try again.
Yeah.
Take 2.
You ready? Not mine.
Ah, crumbs. Oh, bloody hell.
Yeah. Wait. The whole or the...
That whole thing pulled out.
Yeah. It's okay. It's better that it goes that way than this way.
Okay.
Okay, this isn't going to work.
No.
This is literally was like still attached. Okay, well.
Does that snap the chain or no?
No,
Oh,
chain's
that's
fine.
handy.
Chain's fine. The chain is a 4-ton chain. So it's not that much load we're putting on it. But honestly, this thing feels like it's leaning.
Really?
No, it's not. No, it's not.
Yeah,
we
we-
did
George, there was definitely movement in it.
Yeah.
Like, definitely.
We could pull down this bit, but that bit, I think together they are too strong. Okay.
What's the plan? New plan?
Hit it with hammers, I guess.
Yeah.
Hit it with hammers.
Hit it with hammers. If in doubt, hit it with hammers. That's not a rule to live by.
Ha ha ha! I am too low here.
Blimey. That is. Absolutely fantastic progress on this.
Yeah.
We've done that. Time for the big guns.
Yay! You okay with that? Okay, this could work. Hi.
Well, for another. Oh, there's nests galore.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, that's a really big nest.
Is
Loads
it
of
got wasps in
live
it?
wasps. Lots of live wasps.
But yeah, there's so many holes, there's going to be so many nests.
That is my absolute.
It is. That's why you got me. Be your groom.
And that, dear viewer, for now at least, is that. We'll be back soon with more destruction fun. So please like, subscribe, and simply enjoy this lovely view of our valley here in Provence.